Kushu, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Review Fridays, where I review products and services and everything and anything and give you genuine reviews. So for today's video, I have something very important in our life, especially if you're a girl. So we all have this eyebrow problems all the time. So not everybody, but 90% of girls, they generally are obsessed with getting their eyebrows done. And we really want that flawless brows, so like a well-groomed brows, and going to salon and getting them done every time is kind of a pain in the ass. So I have a product here with which you can do your own brows done at your home, and they are very reasonable. So yep, let's get into the video. So as I was saying, I have in this video the Eyebrow Epilator from Maxtop. So without any further ado, let's begin the review. I'm going to put the price over here and the price in the link in the description box. So if you want to buy this product, the link is in the description. So let's start with the packaging and what all we have in here. So this is how the packaging looks. Let's just open it and see. So there is a quick start guide which says install battery first and how do you do it. They've given everything with images, so there is no such rocket science. It's super simple. Everything is written over here with the pictures, so you can actually start this up very easily. So here we have the main product, the cleaner and a battery. So this is kind of a cap, like a pen. So you're going to open this way, and we're just going to pull it that way, and now we have space for the battery. So we're going to put the battery over here and close the lid. So yep, that is it. So as you saw the demo of installation of this product, let's see a quick demo of removing the hair. Now for the demos, so we have the button sort of a thing over here. We're going to press it upwards like that. And you see there's a light over here, and this is the one which you're gonna make contact with your skin and do circular motions like that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this tip and put it on the areas where you want to remove, and you just have to do circular motions like that. And trust me guys, it's going to take out every hair. I did try it on my own. So as I'm done with doing my eyebrows, now let's see how to clean this stuff out. So now that we're done with the demo, I'm going to show you how to clean this up. So there's this tip over here. You gotta just twist it like that and take it out. We need to gently pull out the blades that are inside, and we're going to clean this part. And now we're going to put this back carefully like so, and put this one back. Isn't it super cute and easy? It's not even that expensive, and it does the job, and it'll make you save a lot of money. So yeah, it's also super portable. You can actually put it in your bag. This doesn't even take a lot of space, and you can just do it quickly whenever you need in emergencies. It's gonna work out so well. So I'm gonna rate this product a 9 out of 10 because I am quite loving it. I have done my brows with this itself because I really wanted to try it before I do a video. So yeah, I love it, and if you guys also want to buy this product, then I'm gonna leave the link as I said before in the description box. Go buy if you want to. So that is it for the video guys. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment below what kind of reviews you're looking for, and also put on requests of videos you want me to do and you would love to see on my channel. So with that said, I'm gonna end this video right here. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up.